Here we come to the elevator at Building H at Pima Community College West Campus in Tucson, Arizona. We have a Thyssenkrupp here. Let's get our CAD view. Very nice. This looks like a brand new install. Look up the shaft. This is brand new, I think. Let's go up to 3. Call recognition. Indicator doesn't work. This is Synergy. Let's ring the bell. This is an MRL. Let's go down to G. Alright, let's get our. Alright, capacity is 5,000 pounds. That didn't sound good. And this is very nice though. There's a security camera. Indicator doesn't work. We have mad fixtures, call recognition, and we'll end it up on 3. See, it's got call recognition. Let's ring the bell one last time. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.